Okay, it's time to open your birthday gifts. Put it on this table one by one. Can you read who is it from?
Read the card first. Read the card
Read the
first.
card first.
That one.
Open the card. Look what's inside the card. Oh no, you're excited to see what's the gift. Oh, what is it?
A petshop!
Oh no! Your favorite. Is it your favorite? Hurry, hurry! Let me see the card. Ah! It's her favorite. Oh no. Okay, let me read the card. It's your birthday. Open it. Whoops! It has money inside. How much is it? It's 20 bucks. Happy birthday from Aiden and Ane. Okay, give mommy the money. Show me your pet shop. Take a picture. Okay, show me. Take a picture. Let me see. The other way so I can see it. Which one is the front side?
This one.
Oh, okay. Smile. Oh, I like your gift. Okay, next one. Okay, put it on the other side.
Can I put it down?
Put it down. Okay, open the next one. Who is it from? I think it's from Kuya Patrick. What is it?
Candy!
Is it a candy? A frozen candy? Queen Elsa? A candy dispenser. Look at the card. Okay, put it down by the other toy. And open the card. What's inside the card? Put it here. Let me see what's inside the card. It's from Ate Lisa, Kuya Patrick, right? Oh, it's a nice birthday card. There's no such thing as too much good stuff in your birthday. Open up. How much is it? It's 40 bucks. Dear Marie, let me read the card. Dear Marie, enjoy every bit of it. Happy birthday, love, Ate Lisa, Larissa, and Patrick. Okay, give me the money. It's 40 bucks. Okay. Get another one to open. That one? Okay. Let me see. Let me read it. It's from Maximus, Anna. It's from Maximus for you. From your baby brother. See, let me see. What does it say? Happy birthday, Ate Marie. Love, Maximus. See? Maybe. Have to open it. There you go. Maximus, come here. Look at your gift for Ate Marie. Can you open it on this side, baby girl? On this table, so I can see it clear.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, what is it? Can you guess?
Yeah, it's a box.
Maximus, where are you?
Over here.
Are you not interested to see Ate Marie's gifts?
No.
Okay, open up.
It's I think it's I think a giraffe!
What is it? Wow! A giraffe pet shop?
Yes!
Yes, that's your wish, right? To have a giraffe pet shop. Let me see. Take a picture. You say thank you, baby boy.
Thank you,